We have talked about adding fractions and we have talked about subtracting fractions. We've talked about adding mixed numbers and subtracting mixed numbers. We've got to multiply fractions. First, every time that we talked about multiplication, we would use the words three groups of whatever this was. So when we were multiplying whole numbers, three groups of four, we have three groups of four. I still want you to have that wording stuck in your brain. So if we have three groups of 1/3, we have 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. Multiplication is just repeated addition. That's all it is. So we're going to add these. Can we add fractions that have the same denominator? Yes, we've been doing that for weeks now. The denominator is going to be 3. And 1, 2, 3. The numerator is going to be 3. 3/3. If the numerator and the denominator are the same, it's just another way of saying 1. That's all we're doing when we're multiplying fractions. Let me show you again. We're going to have, let's see, 3 groups of 4/5. So I'm going to have 3 groups of 4/5. And I have to do what with these groups of 4/5? I'm just going to add them. The denominator is going to be the same, and the numerator, 4, 8, 12. 12/5. This should look pretty familiar to you. This is an improper fraction. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we have to put that into a better form. So we ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 12? 5, 10, 15. It goes in 2 times. How many are left over? 10, 11, 12, remainder of 2, and we keep the same denominator. All we're doing is we're taking these multiplication and we're really adding like fractions. Now our book also shows how we can break these down into unit fractions. So I want to show you that one next.